Nina besilo sanibonani babukele emakhaya nawo wonke umuntu obukele le video bengisacela mawumusha kule channel ucofoze usubscribe ubottom ulike ushare ucomment uvule notification ukuze uhlezi unotified ngakho konke okwenzeka kule
Kaizer Chiefs Bobby Motaung, it is alleged that he paid 5 million rand to Fani Masemula and Major General Mukawa to make sure that this lady stays out of Provincial Commissioner of Mpumalanga. So, Badana Bekaya, Lochane, Gubafana Msizalo. So, let me give you a summary of what really happened today because we had a major bomb press briefing from the suspended Lieutenant General Daphne Simakaleng Manamela, the previous Provincial Commissioner of Mpumalanga. So let me summarize everything. So this suspended Lieutenant General Daphne Manamela Simakaleng, she's a police officer on a 31 years of service into the SAPS. So she has a master's degree in public service and she joined as a provincial commissioner in June 2021. So since then she has been employed as a provincial, but up until 2024 she was suspended. So a press briefing yake, she gave a press briefing in the crime strategy in Mpumalanga establishment of the task team that was investigating corruption, fraud, and political killing in Mpumalanga. Also the suspension of that and the disbandment of that task team, and also political interference, document management of Amatoketi, the movement of dockets in Mpumalanga, also illegal mining and extortion. So this was the press briefing that she gave. So let me summarize in detail what she was mentioning. But if ever, you can just bookmark this video and then maybe come back at a later stage because it's not going to be less than 5 minutes, right? So the reason she gave this press briefing is because of she tried to azame akhulumisane nabantu abaphethewe, including the police minister, of which it was Senzo Mchunu by then, because on the 21st of February 2025 she had a engagement no Senzo Mchunu, and then on the 24th, after engagement no Senzo Mchunu, on the 24th she received an email from the chief of staff Nkabinde namkhumbula uNkabinde ngisho the chief of staff yaka Senzo Mchunu complaining about the complaint ukuthi indaba yakhe Daphne Simakaleng has been escalated to the special advisor of police. So mina ngiyazibuza ukuthi the special advisor of police asikhulumi ngoMeridi Has. That is my question ukuthi uNkabinde nakathi the matter have been escalated to the special advisor. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi special advisor saka Senzo Mchunu ngubani? BekunguMeridi Has. Asikhulumi ngoMeridi Has la. But askhluleni lapho. And then she also discussed this matter with uBhekicele, and uBhekicele wa insist ukuthi no, thatha le ndaba uyidlusele kuMasemula because of uBhekicele by then beyangasese the minister of police, because actually uBhekicele by then besekaphuma as the minister of police bekuzongena uSenzo Mchunu into the new because after my elections nakhumbula ukuthi uSenzo Mchunu was appointed as a police minister. And then from there, then she outlined a crime strategy. A crime strategy, it was to reduce the crime in Mpumalanga, and then the establishment of the task team. So the establishment of the task team was established 21st December 2021. So it was mainly focusing on the people that are doing ATM bombing, crime syndicates, and organized crime. So also looking into the illegal mining, extortion, and political killing, specifically in Piet Retief, because there were some cases that they were happening in Piet Retief, or there's a case that happened. I will also come later at a later stage. So the disbandment of the task team in Mpumalanga, the task team was verbally disbanded. So kuyakhonakala ukuthi a whole task team being verbally disbanded. So the task team was verbally disbanded, and then amadoket after the task team was disbanded, amadoket was taken by certain police officers because ngathi basherelana the way kungakhona. Those police officers, they shared the cases that they were handled by the task team amongst themselves, and then around 2021 the task team, it was re-established, and then again it was disbanded, and then Zef was appointed as the acting provincial commissioner or provincial head of police in Mpumalanga. And Uzef was staying at an expensive hotel in Mbombela, Nelspruit, for 19 months, approved by the National Commissioner of which is Ufani Masemula. So can you pay for a acting police commissioner for 19 months hotel? And that hotel, but is the most expensive hotel in Mpumalanga. So the task team revealed that certain police are captured by the business people in Mpumalanga, and also basebenzisana nabantu labo baba business also to make sure ukuthi certain cases ziyasuppressiwa as qhubeka investigatiwe. Number 1, uthi uBhekicele wanted to arrest the former Minister of Culture in Mpumalanga in January 2024 without evidence. So and it was not once uBhekicele a request ukuthi ufuna iCulture Minister Mpumalanga to be arrested. And uthi futhi uBhekicele, I quote, uBhekicele had an appetite to involve himself in police matters, like for example the case of Piet Retief, analyzing case number 1381/2023, and also to uBhekicele beyafuna ama-docket, any docket that involve political killing, like anything that has to do with a political killing, especially in Mpumalanga. So there's another name that was mentioned by Simakaleng. Uti, there's a guy by the name of Vusi Mota, aka Skemegem. So Vusi Mota Skemegem is an alliance with police generals. So ama police generals adlalela la esandleni sakhe. So the Vusi Skemegem. So uthi the former MP speaker Gineu Muhlala docket was stalled by certain police officials, of which is Umuluke, Colonel Muluke, and that colonel got 300,000 rand bribe. And Ujeki Matlala is still in prison for case yake 109 robbery which happened in Witbank. And some of the cases that are linked to Ujeki Matlala are still pending: fraud, corruption, and Futi on 4th February 2025 there was an amount of 5 million rand that was paid to Fani Masemula and Major General Mukawa. And that money was paid by Bobby Mutawung for a tender elenzeke lapha Mbombela Stadium. What is that Mbombela Stadium? Yeah, that stadium. The tender was for that Mbombela Stadium. So tender leli, apparently these two people, Umukawa no Fani Masemula, received 2.5 million rand allegedly, and then their main purpose, it was to make sure ukuthi uDaphne does not return as a provincial commissioner, because bega investigate ukuthi Mbombela Stadium, that tender, it's also linked to that MP former speaker that was unalived by Ugheneu Muhlala. So Umuluko know a lot about what happened to the docket. So apparently ngathi docket leyo iyafiriza nje, like it's very cold since the 5 million rand was paid. So what do you think about this? Let's move on. So this name, Major General Mukawa, seems like this person une power in Mpumalanga, because Mukawa motivated to Fani ukuthi Daphne Sikamaleng must be removed or must be suspended in her position, and also must not return, because Umanamela doesn't return to work, because the way this Mukawa une power like suppress ama cases. And then the other thing is that it was the case of Hilary Gadi. Namkhumbula Hilary Gadi, the daughter of EFF Godrich Gadi. So certain police officers, they had a certain role to make sure the killers or the people that are involved in that case, they like babalega and futhi ababanjwa. And also the suspect running away from that case was arrested in Guatemala, and Mukawa knows very well what really happened, and as well as nama investigations and nama blood samples and the weapon that was used, knows a lot. So that docket has been stalled by police officers since, and also the other police station that came into the chat, it was the Delmas police stations, because she said ukuthi since 2020 there's certain police officers in Delmas that are also installing or making sure ukuthi ama-dockets ayasuppressiwe. Uthi uMukawa, as we speak manje, unama-docket that are more than plus minus 20 are suppressiwe, ukuthi investigation yakhona must not continue and futhi it must not affect ama-arrest. Guys, who's Major General Mukawa? Can somebody, let's put a picture into the name. As Jongoba Karate Minister, we need to have a picture to a name, because there's no way about this guy there. This guy there's a lot, because he also saying there's a new person by the Colonel JJ Mahlangu. So JJ Mahlangu is an alliance to Mukawa, so they work hand in hand to make sure certain cases are suppressive. And then also there's Mduduzi Msibi. He was arrested for attempted murder. So Mduduzi Msibi was arrested for a case at Middelburg, and Umukawa protects him, and Umukawa makes sure he manipulates ama-dockets in the system. So this guy, he has been manipulating ama-dockets since from 2011 until 2024 when she was suspended. So there's a new name, and there's a new name again. Lieutenant Colonel Eunice Sithole. So Eunice Sithole kept more than 15 dockets under investigations, and those dockets, they are very serious cases. So local Kazutini defeating the ends of justice. So let's move to illegal mining. So on the illegal mining, there's a Major General Dora Xaba. Dora Xaba yena udume ngokuthi promoted police officers to high-ranking positions without experiences, because certain police officers, they were promoted to a position nama POP and but they were not experienced to ba promoted to those position. Also, there's Brigadier Lindani Ndlovu from Efosmani Wheatbank Malahleni. Guys, man, I want to tell you something. Once we bring Fosmani police station, just know automatically Emalahleni municipality, it comes into a chat. So Brigadier Lindani Ndlovu inflated. Actually, he's infiltrated by business people and also illegal mining. So he also received money from business people, and also she said to Lindani Ndlovu, wife yake also got a certain promotion angai qualifying, and the wife was also receiving money from certain business people, and they've got more than 4 houses in Emalahleni. So guys, kuningi. And then also the other thing that he also mentioned, to tell wife of Lindani Ndlovu received 100,000 rand money from a certain business person, and then that money was deposited into account to her wife. So wife no Lindani Ndlovu, they are working together into a police, and then DPCI of which General Khani was requested to investigate the matter, but the case it went cold. So Ndlovu works with the illegal miners kingpins in Emalahleni and allegedly by Sika Maleng. So in short, Ufane Masemula, he's not saying he's corrupt, but Ufane Masemula is protecting these generals as a corner that are suppressing the cases and also the investigations. And then investigation, it will reveal that, because the investigation, it's ongoing, and some sort of maybe Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, and then so that when they probe, they will see. Guys, you must check how are these police generals are doing. And then you will see how many dogs come. You will see how many dogs come, because what I can tell you, Empumalanga,